Sometimes English is not about perfect grammar. It's about staying calm, choosing simple words, and solving small moments in daily life. Today's episode is a guided conversation. We'll listen to two people handling a common situation, talking to a delivery driver. Pay attention to the tone. Notice how calm and polite language makes everything easier. Let's begin. Hi, Tom. I just received a call from the delivery driver.
Hi, Anna. Is everything okay?
Yes, mostly. But he said he can't find my address.
That happens sometimes. Did you stay calm?
I tried to. I spoke slowly and clearly.
That's the best thing to do. What did you say?
I said, "Hello, I think there may be a small problem with the address."
That's very polite. What did the driver say?
He asked me to explain my location again.
And how did you explain it?
I used simple directions. I said, "I am near the main road next to the coffee shop."
That's clear. Short directions are easier to understand.
Yes, I didn't rush. I spoke slowly.
That's important, especially on the phone.
At first, I felt nervous, but then I remembered to breathe.
That's a great habit. Calm speaking makes people more helpful.
The driver thanked me for explaining clearly.
That's a good sign. It means your English worked.
A few minutes later, he arrived.
That's great. Did you say anything when he arrived?
Yes, I said, "Thank you for waiting and sorry for the confusion."
Very polite. That creates a good feeling.
He smiled and said it was no problem.
See? Simple English is powerful.
I realized something today.
What did you realize?
I don't need difficult words. I just need calm words.
That's an important lesson. English is about connection, not perfection.
I feel more confident now.
And that confidence will grow every day.
I hope our listeners feel the same.
Yes, these small conversations matter.